Steven with Parts Doctor. I'm going to show you how to replace the main control board in the Samsung dryer. You'll need a Phillips screwdriver. Let's get started. The main control board controls almost every function of the dryer, from sending power to the drive motor and heating elements. If this part fails, the dryer may not function properly. For this repair, unplug or disconnect power to the dryer. First, we need to get access to the back of the dryer to remove the two screws holding the top cover in place. Next, place your foot at the bottom of the dryer, place your hands on the top, and pull towards you until the top cover releases. This may require some force. The control board is located here. To access, remove the screws and rotate the cover. Before disconnecting any of the electrical connectors, take a photo to reference later. Then, remove the wiring harness from the retainers and disconnect the connectors by either pulling or depressing the locking tabs and wiggling until they release. You may find some of these extremely difficult. If you have a bad main control board and you need to purchase a new one, you can check out our website, partsdoctor.com. We'll leave a link in the description below. You want to make sure you're searching with the model number from the tag on your dryer to make sure you get the correct part. On some model dryers, the control board may be purchased separately to not include the cover. If this is the case, simply remove the screw, remove the old board, and screw the new board to the cover. To install, reconnect the electrical connectors by aligning and pressing until they seat back in place. If needed, reference your photo from earlier. Then, place the harness back in the retainers. Next, align the control board cover by placing it under the side panel and placing the tab over the panel and through the opening. Make sure all screw holes are aligned. Then, reinstall the screws. To reinstall the top cover, make sure the rear of it, which is noted by the gray pieces, is facing the rear of the dryer. Align the top cover guides to the opening in the top cover. Continue to push forward until it locks back in place. Next, reinstall the two screws. With everything put back together, plug the dryer in and test it out to make sure everything is working properly. So that's it for this video. If you learned something new, hit that like button, and if you enjoy fixing things, please consider subscribing.